Well, my generator have asked us just to chuck them a quick review of the Dometic fridge. It's the CRX80. You can see behind me. So we just popped that in the back of a 100 series Land Cruiser and got it sitting on top of a little drawer we picked up from BCF. Benefits and reasons why we went with this fridge: we had a angle that we didn't have a fridge slide for, so it was a big hassle to get in and out of the car and get access to everything. So here it's just straight in the back. We can access everything, close it up. We don't need to slide the thing out. Some people say, look, everything's going to just come flying out of this as you drive along, but so far it's been really good. No complaints. A couple of drawers so we can access everything in here nicely. I've installed the optional drain down the back, so there's a little drain point in the back, so if we want to wash it out or clean it, and that just runs to the hose underneath the fridge there. Mounting it required a little bit of effort to check a few things over. So on the back of the fridge here, you'll see that it's just open and exposed, the compressor there. So we've just installed on the back of the slide, there's timber here on some rails, and that just means I can pop other things up against it and it's not going to get in the way. And we've got the little bump stops in here that keep it off the fridge. And inside we've got a couple of mounting points, so we've just ran some bolts out down to some straps and a bracket, another bracket on the side which bolts in underneath. So they just come in, you take off these little points here and then you can just pop a bolt through there to house it all. So there, yeah, we're really happy with this one. Wouldn't want to go a bigger one in the back here, but this size sort of maximises the space we got, and we can still pop the extra seat down beside if we want to lay a seat over and still have one in the back, which was the nice part about it. So yeah, very happy with it. Pretty quiet compared to the angle, and works well. When it's on here, you get the little light. There we go, just turned it on for you. Get the little LED light so you can see in here and everything. And 4 different settings here for the, depending on what temperature you want to run at. So we've just got the lights indicating it's on. When the compressor kicks off, we sort of go to an orangey red light here. And we've got our 4 different settings for temperature that we can just press here and cycle through them. And it starts flashing at you if you leave the door open too long. There was another little tray up here, a little egg one that I've just taken out, so we can just fit a slightly taller thing in here. If we've got some jam cans or something like that. And you can reverse the door as well, so depending on which way you want the door to open, you'll be able to reverse the door. Just taking off the top cover here, you can undo these bolts and put it onto that side, hinge it the other way if you want, which is how it comes standard, normally opening this way, and we've just reversed it. So yeah, go if you're thinking about one of these upright fridges. We've been pretty happy with this one, seen some other people using them, and can't recommend them enough. My generator sent it out nice and quick, no problems. Thanks for listening, bye bye.